Hello, this is the Cannery Casino Hotel here in North Las Vegas. I'm going inside so you could see as we explore how it looks at the Cannery Casino Hotel. So that is the hotel side, and this is the main entrance right here. And that is the parking garage. And this is the self-parking in front of the entrance to the casino. Casino. All right, we are going inside. Mm. So let's go to this side. So this is the casino floor. So we got the restrooms right there. So a lot of slots in this area. There's a lot of slots. Slots. Go here. And so this is the Boyd rewards. So garage elevators. So they have free parking in this casino and hotel. And then so this is the way to the Galaxy Theater. So there it is. So let's go here. So this is the race and sportsbook entrance. So it looks like a no smoking area right here. Yeah, this is the Galaxy Theaters right here. This is the concession area. Then, yeah. So, if you want to watch movies while you're staying here at this property, yeah, that's it. So, it has a huge parking garage, handicap parking entrance. Very sunny here in Las Vegas. Very sunny. So we walked on the right side, and so now we're going to the left side. So, all right. So, a lot of slots doesn't smell that bad, and so yeah, this is the bar right here. Zeno. Yeah, they have a nice bar here. Oh, bar. And then this is the Victory Cafe. Uh, mhm. And then another set of restrooms. So they have a small bar over here, but you know what? Okay. So I think this is the food court area. Food court area. There we go. So they have steak and shake. And then this is a small slots area. Oh, and this is their sports book right here. Yeah, this is their sports book. And so we could have gone through here instead of outside to the theater. So I'm going back here, going back. So this is the bingo area right here. Bingo. They have a 1950s theme hotel and casino. Those artwork right there. And then this is a nice restaurant right here. Yeah, nice restaurant. It's the Carve Prime Rib restaurant. And I think this is the cashier area. All right. And this is a nice representation of all the properties of Boyd all over the US. Hmm. All right. And the club, this is their like theater where they have mini concerts. And these are the artists who performed here. Yeah. called the club. So they have the Cannery Rocks, and this is the exit area, or oh, it is a patio. Oh, there is like a seating out there, outdoors for outdoor events. All right. So, so now we have the gift shop here, and I think this is where you go for to see the rooms right here. And then this is their gift shop. Nice gifts, Cannery gifts. So, so one of the casino hotels here in North Las Vegas that mostly cater to locals. And I just want to go on the middle in order to show you the center bar. So this is their center bar right here. It's a very nice bar. You know, nice seating. All right. And this is the craps table, blackjack table. So, all right. So that's how Cannery Casino Hotel is here in North Las Vegas. So small but cute place to go and gamble and just relax. So you like watching this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and watch this video next. And thank you for watching.